Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way on how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. Now here's how we are going to do it. First things first, there are two DNS that we're going to be using for today. We're going to use Cloudflare DNS as well as Google DNS. Now this is what we are going to do. You're going to go ahead and right click your internet icon here and click open in network settings. Now from this point forward, you see here your internet. Go ahead and just scroll down and look for change adapter options. Just go ahead and click this one here, and then you have here your network, so just go ahead and double click that one, click properties. Now from this point forward, you're going to look for IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Double click that one, and then we're going to click this one here. Use the following DNS server address. Now again, we're going to be using either of the two DNS here. So if it is Google, for example, you're going to be using this one here, just like so, and click OK. Click OK once again, and then you're going to go back to your browser and reload it just like so. Now if that doesn't work, you're going to go back here, you're going to click the properties once again, and you're going to change this one. So we're going to click this one here, obtain DNS server address, in order to delete all of them. Now we're going to click this one, and we're going to use Cloudflare DNS for this one. So it's 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1, just like so. Click OK, and close this one. Now from this point forward, refresh that same page and everything should be fixed. And congratulations everybody, that is the easiest way on how to fix your connection is not private in your Google Chrome.